UCSC Refunds for Financial Aid and Credit Balances. This video explains why you might get a refund, how refunds are returned to you, how to check the status of a refund, and how to make sure you receive your refund as fast as possible. The balance in your UCSC account is the total amount you owe to UC Santa Cruz. But you can also have a credit balance in your account, which is an amount UCSC owes you. Credit balances can happen if your financial aid is more than you need to pay your UCSC bill, if you make a payment for more than you owe, or if a charge is reversed or credited to your account after you've already paid it. If you end up with a credit balance and there are no new charges to pay, you may get the money back as a refund. There are 3 ways to receive a refund from your UCSC account. A check refund, where a check is printed and sent to the mailing address in your personal information tile on My UCSC, is the slowest. It can take several weeks for a check to reach you, and even longer if you have an incorrect mailing address in My UCSC. If a payment from a credit card creates a credit balance, the refund will be sent back to the credit card minus the convenience fee charged in UCSC eBill ePay. With a direct deposit refund, your money is sent electronically to your checking or savings account, usually within a few days after your UCSC bill is paid. Even if you don't expect to get a refund, it's a good idea to sign up for direct deposit in case UCSC ever owes you money. See the video comments for a link to another video on how to set up direct deposit. If you don't receive the refund you were expecting to get, here's what you should do. First, log into My UCSC and tap the My Account tile. Then tap Account Activity on the sidebar to see if your refund has been issued. If money was used to pay other charges, your refund may be less than expected. You should also check your direct deposit to make sure it is set up correctly with your bank account number and routing number. And check the Personal Information tile in My UCSC to make sure your mailing address is correct. If it's not, your direct deposit won't work. If you have questions about refunds, contact the SBS Financial Service Center or the Select Sense Financial Wellness Program. See the video comments for links to our websites, contact information, office hours, and lots of informational resources.